In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off calendar weather on Outlook. By the end, your Outlook calendar will be cleaner and free of the weather strip that appears at the top of your schedule. Start by opening any web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Microsoft Outlook website. You'll know it's the right one because it takes you to the Outlook web app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your calendar. Once you're in Outlook, switch to the calendar. You can do this by selecting the calendar icon in the left sidebar. This opens your scheduled events and views. We're going to use the calendar's view options to reach the settings we need. At the top of the calendar, find and click View. This reveals calendar-specific options. From there, choose Calendar Settings. This is where Outlook keeps controls for how your calendar looks and behaves, including the weather display. Inside Calendar Settings, look for the section labeled Weather. It's typically listed in the menu of calendar options. Click Weather to open its controls. You'll see a toggle that turns the weather feature on or off. To remove the forecast from your calendar, switch off the toggle. This disables the weather information so it no longer appears across the top of your calendar view. After turning the toggle off, make sure to click Save. This step locks in your change so it persists when you navigate away or refresh the page. Without saving, Outlook may keep the weather visible the next time you open your calendar. Give the page a moment to update. If you still see the weather bar, a quick refresh usually does the trick. This change doesn't affect your events or reminders, only the display of weather data, so your appointments remain exactly as they are. If you manage several calendars within Outlook on the web, this setting applies to the calendar interface you're using across your account. To recap, you went to Google, searched for Outlook, opened the official site, switched to Calendar, clicked View, opened Calendar Settings, selected Weather, turned off the toggle, and saved your changes. If you ever want the forecast back, simply return to the same weather section and switch the toggle on again. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now streamlined and focused on your schedule. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along for more quick productivity tips.